to do it so long, still be relevant, still be on top of your game, still compete with, rappers that are 10 years younger, 15 years younger.
Against all odds.
हाँ. Let me see you just hit it instinctively first. जैसे मार सकता है मार एक बार.
Just hit that.
But मार भाई,
hit that
कुछ
bitch.
सोच मत.
नीचे ज़्यादा हो गया.
Because of this camera, bro. कैमरा पे मारता हूँ, सब टेढ़ी मेढ़ी जाती है. Raval, the next golf superstar.
Ooh, beauty, bro. Nice, straight as an arrow.
Yo, what's up? Welcome to episode 2 of The Range with my brother Raval, the best in the business.
What's happening? Nah, that's
Yes,
him.
sir.
We trying?
आज हम खेल रहे हैं थोड़ा golf and आज देखते हैं how Raval hits the ball on his first time playing golf at the range. Let's go. Let me see you just hit it instinctively first. जैसे मार सकता है मार एक बार.
Just hit that.
But मार भाई,
hit that
कुछ
bitch.
सोच मत, बस मार.
Fuck. Wait.
हाँ. ठीक है. So basically, what you were trying to do is grip it right. है ना? Grip में क्या है? This hand goes like this.
Yep.
Thumb pointing down the
Yep.
shaft, holding it like this. ये तेरे fingers और palm के बीच वाले space में, ठीक है? So you are holding it here, and this they get interlocked. So your index finger and your pinky finger,
Yep.
ये interlock हो जाते हैं ऐसे. This little crevice here, ये जो तेरे thumb और and when I put this down, this is also pointing to my right shoulder.
Yep.
So both point to the right shoulder.
Let
ठीक
me
है?
try that.
Right. थोड़ा ऊपर grip कर. So right now your hand is like this, right? Now this is pointing a little here. So just rotate it this side. Try and hit this rubber tee.
Just the tee.
Just the tee. Try and hit it 5-6 times.
Fuck the grip up. But I think we good still.
हाँ सही है. Yes. ठीक है. Now keep the ball there.
Wait.
Oh, not bad. Not bad. That's pretty good.
हाँ,
The only thing is, now consciously don't try and put it in the air. Just try and hit it.
Oh.
The air, it will catch on its own. You don't need to do this. You don't need to flip it up.
Just hit that shit.
Yeah, go, bro. Let's go. Yes, that's the one, brother. What you need to try and do is keep your lower body steady. Weight forward. Now take it back a little bit more till your left arm is parallel to the ground. This, like almost like a pendulum does. You don't need to hit with force or anything. You don't.
Woo!
Like the lesser the force, the better the shot.
Yeah, that's cool.
That was a shot, brother.
That's a fucking great shot, bro.
That's a great shot.
Hey, yo.
I think we need to do एक rap league करना.
It's a great shot.
Rap golf league.
I've always thought of football and anybody in the country is getting fucked if I'm in the team. Anybody, bro. Delhi versus anybody. I'm telling you.
अभी रावल वर्सेस काम हो सकता है.
हाँ,
क्योंकि
bro.
वो भी मार रहा था.
बिल्कुल भाई वो भी मारते हैं हम फीफा में बहुत खेलते थे bro. But that's a good shot for my probably my 6th shot
Bhai, that
ever.
was too good. That was good. That was straight and हवा में.
Straight, motherfucker.
Nice shot. Shot. Let's go. अब एक चीज बताता हूँ कि तेरा ये हाथ ऐसे आएगा, ऐसे पकड़ और
But अब
इसको
straight आए थे.
हाँ, और अब नीचे वाला हाथ डाल ले. Correct. This is how it's meant to look. Easy, go easy. Easy is the key. तू जोश से मार रहा है. जैसे पहले बहुत easy मार रहा था तू. ये भी ठीक है. ये अच्छी नहीं लगी, ये पीछे लगी. But my point is कि कैमरा था आगे. हाँ. Point is कि कैमरा था आगे. Shot. That was a beauty. That was a really good shot. आवाज़ सब सही थी. One shot की जगह 2 shot हो गया bro.
This is lighter.
This is lighter.
Oh bhai.
That's the problem with this, na. To get this going straight is a mission. Not today.
इसमें कुछ अलग चीज़ है?
इसमें बहुत अलग है. I suggest मत मार. अगर तेरे को बड़ा बल्ला मारना ही है सेम टेक्निक से तो ये मार. The deal with this club is that you are supposed to hit it super easy. The easier you hit it, the better it goes.
कैसे नहीं जाएगी? हमेशा जाएगी ब्रो, हमेशा जाएगी. ये तो कुछ नहीं है, पूरा दिन यही करता हूँ मैं फुटबॉल खेलते हुए ऑलमोस्ट.
ये क्या फुटबॉल खेलने लग गया ये?
2 in 1.
Like this is a 4 iron.
4 iron.
According to Com, he read it as J.
अरे यार 4 को J कह रहा है. Very nice.
Bro, when it comes to tennis, who's your favorite player?
All time?
All time?
Honestly, I'm a big Djokovic fan.
Yeah. He's my second favorite.
Who's your favorite?
Nick Kyrgios.
Oh, you like temperamental guys basically.
Bro, he's too entertaining. He's one of the few ones जिसने top 3 को हरा रखा है bro. Top 4 actually. उसने एंडी मरे, रॉडिक, फेडरर, नडाल, जोकोविच सबको हरा रखा है bro. If he had an ounce of Federer's mentality.
Consistency and
Just
and temperament.
Oh, beauty bro. Nice, straight as an arrow.
Shot, brother, shot.
Golf was good bro, feels good. I feel like this was just like getting your shots. If there's like a goal कि भाई इधर मारना है, then I think it's gonna get more intense, which obviously comes later on. But yeah man, this was fun. That 150 shot though, that's the money shot.
That's the money shot. तू सोच जैसे पटिंग करते हैं ना उधर कैसे करते हैं, ये करते हैं. तो अगर यही करेगा ना तो तेरा क्लब ऑटोमेटिकली तेरा काम कर लेगा. जैसे अगर मैंने सिर्फ ये किया, सपोज लाइक दिस, वेट ऑन द फ्रंट फुट, देन.
हाँ मतलब चिप, बेसिकली फुटबॉल में भी चिप होता है. ठीक है, सिंपल. Let me get to that one, closest.
Get to the middle one.
Nice.
Like that.
Ooh. मैम की छत.
तू कर रहा है ना एंड में ऐसे हो रहा है, ये देख, ये हो रहा है, ये नहीं होना, बस ये.
Simpler, easier.
Correct. That's a good chip. Correct. It's a good chip, brother. तेरे को क्या लगता है अब?
क्या?
What's next for our genre in India? कि मतलब हमको like where do you see it going? Like तेरे को क्या लगता है कहाँ जाएगा इंडियन? Will it get saturated? या अभी जितने नए आर्टिस्ट आएंगे उतना बदलता रहेगा?
I think it's hard to break out for somebody new. I feel like the ones who are household names keep getting bigger and better.
But do you think it's harder for people to break out? क्योंकि यार देख पिछले 5 साल में breakout artists तो हैं, ऐसा नहीं है कि नहीं है.
Yep.
तो ऐसा क्यों लग रहा है तेरे को कि it's harder?
Bro, because कम है bro. I think
तेरे को
जो
लगता है और होने चाहिए.
हाँ, मुझे लगता है कि जो लोग पहले से करते आ रहे हैं और फिर उन्होंने कंटिन्यू किया ना, जिन्होंने फर्स्ट मूवर एडवांटेज को अच्छे से उठाया है, वो सबसे ऊपर है ब्रो. क्योंकि फिर इट बिकम्स सिनोनिमस विद देम, द होल इमेज ऑफ बीइंग अ रैपर, कि इन्होंने तो तब से कर रहे हैं, ये तो एक्चुअल इज अ रियल.
ये तो जैसे टाइम आगे जाएगा वैसे बदलता रहेगा नहीं?
नहीं मतलब ऑफ कोर्स लाइक अब वो लोग भी दे विल आल्सो लूज देयर प्राइम, बिकॉज एवरी करियर हैज़ अ प्राइम ब्रो. सो न्यू आर्टिस्ट विल कम. आई थिंक ब्रो,
मेरे को लगता है अब हिप हॉप इज इन अ स्पेस जहाँ ग्लोबली जहाँ टॉप आर्टिस्ट आर ओल्ड आर्टिस्ट. लाइक दे यूज्ड टू से हिप हॉप इज अ यंग मैन्स गेम.
yep,
Right? I don't think hip hop is a young man's game.
it's
anymore.
not.
It's not.
The best out there, like who are the top 3? They're all old.
They're all old.
It doesn't matter bro. I feel like as long as you can have an understanding of what's going on and spit something which is relevant to the times, then you're not old. Also with like how people are receiving it is like obviously way better than when I started or when you started, bro. It
correct.
was looked down upon, we were made fun of. The loose t-shirts, bro. I remember once upon a time, bro, ऐसा हुआ था कि we used to wear baggy clothes. I've been wearing baggy clothes and white shoes ever since I was in fucking 9th standard or something.
So have I. Correct.
I remember some street guys just saw me and they were like, "Oh भाई तूने अपने पापा की shirt डाली है," and this other guy is singing, "ए hip hopper मुझे प्यार तो कर." And you know, it was like we were made fun of. And the ones who do it, who've been doing it तब से ना, why they win is also not just because they've been doing it for that long. It's also because they were doing it at a time where we didn't see how it's gonna make us money.
Correct.
But you still did it.
We still did it for the love of
For the love of it. Like abhi, like I know certain artists, I'm not gonna take their name, but they can be like 21, 22, and all they've seen is a win, 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 win. They can't be like when I was 21, हम किसी shady mall में cypher कर रहे थे और लोग हमें ऐसे देख रहे थे कि हम alien हैं. नहीं, it's not like that anymore. Like everybody has their Instagram, everybody's expressing themselves, they're talking about breakups and it's becoming like really candid, let's say. But उस time पे ऐसा नहीं था, bro. So people who did it at that time, they really loved it. Like Krishna bhai didn't know कि I'm sure Krishna bhai didn't know कि इससे पैसा कैसे बनेगा at one point.
Correct.
मेरे को नहीं पता था
बहुत
इससे.
टाइम तक नहीं पता था यार.
बहुत पता ही नहीं था, bro. सोचते भी नहीं थे कि भाई पैसा बनाना है इससे. It was just like हाँ भाई एक बढ़िया गाना बनाना है. And to be honest, मेरे लिए तो अभी भी वो चीज़ रहती है कि for me, why I still do this is कि I'm pretty sure I haven't made my best song yet. So that's
Yeah,
what
I feel
keeps.
like that's for us.
Yep. कि अभी भी है, ऐसा नहीं लगता कि भाई अब
Correct.
सबसे अच्छा गाना तो बना लिया. नहीं bro, it's hidden somewhere. I have to get it out of me.
Correct.
But where it's going is it's going in a good direction, bro.
It's very easy कि लोग बोल देते हैं आके you know कि ये ऐसा है, ये वैसा करता है, ये ऐसे करता है. But I feel like to do it so long, still be relevant, still be on top of your game, still compete with, you know, rappers that are 10 years younger, 15 years younger.
Against all odds.
हाँ.
For sure, bro. That's why I'm reading now. I feel like I want to gain more perspective on other people's mindsets. And also, I'm reading some Hindi books also, bro. I ordered like a Panchtara, जो कि बच्चे पढ़ते हैं. But like वो हिंदी में है, and I want to get some lines about animals and sort of get.
पंचतंत्र.
हाँ, पंचतंत्र. Like वो animal stories होती हैं.
करेक्ट.
कि
मेरे को बचपन में बहुत अच्छी लगती थी.
मैंने बचपन में पढ़ी नहीं हूँ.
अमर चित्र का था.
हाँ, तो वही उससे भी I'm pretty sure कि sometimes you can get a lot of inspiration from that also.
बहुत.
Because उसमें बहुत सारे there's hidden wisdom in
Meanings
there.
and yeah.
Even like Winnie the Pooh, bro, like that's
Moral of the story
Yep,
जिसको
yep.
बोलते थे बचपन
जो
में.
लास्ट में moral आता है उसमें like you can there's some hidden bars in there. All you have to do is make it rhyme.
Correct.
So it's stuff like that you need to keep in your arsenal, to keep in your locker, bro, to keep evolving. नहीं तो people sort of get to know if you're a one trick pony.
Let's put one or two putts in and we'll bounce.
Putt. अच्छा उधर है. Oh fuck, मुझे लगा putt इधर ही हो रहा है.
Bhai, basically this is putting. So once you're on the green in the golf course, you have to get it in the hole. Suppose your ball fell here or you chipped it here.
Yeah.
तो बेसिकली यहाँ क्या करना होता है, वैसे कैडी होता है तो हेल्प करते हैं तुम्हें, बट यहाँ यू हैव टू रीड द पट. सो यू सी दैट द ग्राउंड इज मूविंग फ्रॉम लेफ्ट टू राइट. देयर इज अ स्लाइट स्लोप ऑन लेफ्ट टू राइट. सो आई नो दैट दिस बॉल इज गोइंग टू मूव फ्रॉम लेफ्ट टू राइट लिटिल बिट. ठीक है, तो मैं सोचता हूँ चल मैं उस कोने तक मारता हूँ. ठीक है, लेट्स सी इफ द पट इज द रीड इज राइट. इसमें इंटरलॉक नहीं करना होता. ठीक है, too much sauce. Keep it on the ground, right behind the ball. Correct, very good. Aim for this edge here. बहुत हल्का लेफ्ट टू राइट है, तो ये इस एज पे जब गिरेगी, ऑलमोस्ट देखा थोड़ी गई ना राइट. दैट मीन्स देयर इज अ स्लाइट.
तो हल्का सा लेफ्ट में मारो.
हल्का सा लेफ्ट. Oh shit! Let's go! Let's go! Let's go, brother! Let's go! That's the last shot of the
Yeah?
of the video.
All right, man. I'm glad I got one.
That's a wrap, my G. That's golf for you. Rahul, the next golf superstar. We're doing the tournament, right?
You heard it here first, bro.
Who are you going against?
Against anybody, bro. Anybody.
Rahul against anyone.
Anyone. I'm not kidding, bro.
See you in the next episode.
मुझे याद है वो दिन जब मैं और मेरे डे वंस थे on the pavements trying to get payments कभी छोड़ के गए नहीं गेम अब now they wanna hate us just to get famous इनके गाने नहीं चले थे